Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel, Creations of a Capricorn. I'm going to bring you a DIY today that was inspired by a piece I saw on QVC.com, which was a Christmas ladder, and I'm going to bring you my edition of it made with Dollar Tree items. For this project, you're going to need 5 of the Dollar Tree wood block boxes. You're going to need 4 of the Dollar Tree wood signs. You're going to need some letters, probably 4 to 6 inches tall, that spells out the word Merry, M-E-R-R-Y. You're going to need some Dollar Tree decoration items, a wood, your staple gun, your glue gun, red paint, white paint, and also some artificial snow from the Dollar Tree. Let's get started with this DIY. First, you're going to glue your wood blocks together to make 2 separate pieces for your ladder. And you can also staple it to reinforce the security of the ladder as well. Then you're going to go ahead and get your white acrylic paint, and you're going to start to paint your letters. Or if you don't want to use white, you can use any color of your choice. And you're going to also sprinkle the artificial snow on each of the letters, adhering the snow with sprayed adhesive from the Dollar Tree. Next, we're going to go ahead and paint all of our wood box plaques and our decorative wood signs in the red paint or whatever color you want to use for this project. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to assemble our project. We're going to take those long wood blocks and make a V shape, and at the bottom of that V shape we want to make sure it's 12 inches apart. And I forgot to mention that you're going to need a 36-inch yardstick, or you can just get 3 of the 12-inch rulers from the Dollar Tree and adhere those together to make a 36-inch stick, because we want to use this as our support for the back of the ladder. Also, you're going to need some wood popsicle sticks or some type of scrap sticks to adhere to the back of your ladder to hold those 2 pieces together more securely. And also, this is going to be used as a spacer for your ladder, your letters. You're going to space those sticks out 6 inches apart. And here's the bracket that I use to adhere that support piece on the back of my ladder. And I also used some hot glue for extra security so that the support will hold up a little bit better. Then you're going to go ahead and flip your ladder over once you have everything adhered to the back, and you're going to start to glue on the rungs, and you will attach the rung right over those scrap popsicle sticks or scrap sticks that you used on the back. Apply the rung right over that, and it will hide those sticks. And also, it should be 6 inches apart for your letters to be adhered to once you have those rungs glued down to the ladder. And this is what your DIY should look like once you have everything glued down. And then we're going to go ahead and attach each of the letters. I bought my letters from Hobby Lobby, and they were about $1.50 a piece. And you're going to attach those right in the middle of each of the rungs on the ladder. And I forgot to mention that for those rungs, you want to apply those boxes upside down so that the inside is facing up, so that we can apply our decorative items once we're done. And this is what it looks like once you have all the letters adhered right in the middle of each of the rungs on the ladder. And here it is once it's standing. I think it came out really pretty. I think it actually looks better than the QVC edition. And here is the fun part. We're going to go ahead and apply decorative items into each of the boxes. And you can do this in any way you like, using any color you like. And I chose to use an option of red for each of the rungs on the ladder. And here, this is just an example of what you can come up with once you start to decorate your ladder. And this is using all Dollar Tree items. I think it came out really pretty. What do you think? If you like this, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because I do plan on bringing you more DIYs in the coming future. Here's another addition I did for you, just to get a clear view of the many different angles that you could take with this particular DIY. This is decorated in all white. This is for my glam girls out there. I think this came out really pretty. And again, this is using all Dollar Tree items. And it's a very large piece as well. This piece came out about 36 inches tall. Very beautiful. And you can even use it for other seasonal decor as well. It doesn't necessarily have to be used just for Christmas. I plan on using it in my craft room, probably to hold some craft supplies. Thank you for watching this DIY. If you like it, go ahead and subscribe to my channel.